Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed a Base44 app into Shopify. So all you need to do is open any browser and then open Base44 and then sign into your account and then go to your apps and then choose the app that you want to embed into Shopify and then press on it. Now when you are in the app, just send this exact prompt. Give me HTML responsive code for this app. It will take 1 minute to give you the code. Then all you need to do is copy exactly this code from up to bottom. You copy it and then go to Shopify. Now, if you are in the home screen, all you need to do is press on online stores and then go to themes. Now press on edit theme. And then in the section here, add section. And then choose custom liquid and then copy the code here and then you can see your app here exactly as it is in Base44, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.